Because the big story that we're tracking today is the constitution debate, which will be initiated by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh later today in the Lok Sabha. In fact, Home Minister Amit Shah is also likely to hold a similar discussion on December 16 to discuss the constitution. This, as we mark 75 years of the Indian constitution, the preamble is going to be discussed. This is going to be a milestone discussion as part of the winter sessions of the Parliament, which has been plagued by various disruptions and ruckus, which has led to inefficiency of the houses, both the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. In fact, the BJP and Congress have both issued a 3-line whip notice for all their Lok Sabha MPs to be present in the lower house on December 13th, that's today, and tomorrow, that's December 14th, during the scheduled debate on the Constitution, which will be initiated by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. There are expectations by both BJP and Congress MPs to be present in the Lok Sabha today and tomorrow to be a part of the debate on the Indian Constitution. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Harsha, who's joining us live from New Delhi. Harsha, help us understand, because what we're discussing today on the Constitution is likely to be a milestone in a way for the Parliament sessions particularly. But are there any key points in the preamble that are likely to be sort of tabled?
Yes, you rightly pointed out. So a 3-line whip has been issued today and tomorrow by both the parties, Congress and BJP, and other parties as well, for the members to present. Because as the constitution debate will begin today from the side of BJP, Rajnath Singh will be commencing the debate on the Constitution Day, and after that it will go on. We have got to know from the side of Congress party, LOP Rahul Gandhi will participate in the debate, and also Priyanka Gandhi's maiden debate on Constitution Day will also happen today only. So all the leaders of all the MPs will have to present today. Several issues will be raised, and also it is the 12 hours which has been allotted in the Lok Sabha today and tomorrow. 6 hours have been given to BJP and 6 hours to opposition to speak, and the leaders will be given a chance to speak on the constitution. So 2 days it's going to be a hectic Parliament day, hectic Lok Sabha today and tomorrow as the discussion on the constitution will begin. There are almost 15 speakers from the side of the BJP party, with Rajnath Singh to begin today and Prime Minister Narendra Modi to reply on constitution debate tomorrow at 4 p.m. Back to you.
Thank you, Harsha, for those details. Coming in on the Constitution debate, which is likely to start today in the Lok Sabha, initiated by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Viewers, as I likely told you, that Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will initiate the discussions today in the Lok Sabha about the Constitution. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah will also hold similar discussions on December 16th. This is all that you can expect in a special report. Take a look.
Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will lead the discussions in Lok Sabha on the Constitution debate at 11 a.m. Discussions will be held on the occasion of the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Indian Constitution. The debate is scheduled for December 13th and 14th in the Lok Sabha, and in Rajya Sabha, the debate is slotted for December 16th and 17th. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will hold the discussions in Rajya Sabha on Monday. Members of Parliament of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha have agreed for a debate on the Constitution to commemorate its 75th year of adoption. The move comes after Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge and his Lok Sabha counterpart Rahul Gandhi requested dedicated sessions to reflect on the Constitution's relevance. Both leaders alleged that there was a need of thorough examination of nation's adherence to its constitutional values.